Ciao, Roberto. How are you doing? Good. Good to see you. Here's your guitar. It's really beautiful. And you think you'll be very happy. I've finished adjusting and I just have to do the frets and it's gonna be perfect. So, and it sounds great. Okay, ciao. I'll email you. Good night.